What's up everyone, welcome to another video produced by Financial Anatomy, the place where you can take control of your financial destiny. I'm Elijah, your host. Here on this channel we talk about investing, apps involving money in some form, side hustles, and personal finance. And in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up direct deposit using your Chime app or Chime bank account. I think Chime is mostly known for their hey, you can get paid 2 days early if you set up direct deposit with us. So a lot of people have been asking exactly how do you do that, which is kind of interesting that they're most known for that, and that pops up in all the advertisements, but they don't really show directly how to do it inside the app. So we're gonna switch over to my phone so I can show y'all exactly how to get that set up so you can get direct deposit into your Chime account. And if that's what you're looking for, get paid 2 days early from your employer. Let's start off by opening the Chime app. Then you'll need to log in if you're not logged in. And even if you're logged in, you'll need your passcode, so enter that. Then you're going to be taken to the home screen. From here, you want to click on Move Money and click on Move Your Direct Deposit. What this will do is it'll give you access to your routing number and account number to give your employer so that you can do the direct deposit. But you can make it a little more simple by clicking on the Email Me My Completed form. Click on that. Then it's going to let you know that they've emailed you to complete the direct deposit form to the email address on file. Basically, you just give that form to your employer or HR provider and you're done. They do all the heavy lifting for you. They have all the information that your employer needs to set that up. So that's the more simple approach to doing it. The second way of linking your direct deposit to Chime is to scroll down and where it says Have Chime Do It For You, click on Find Employer. From here, you can find who you're working for, and then you'll log into their account and Chime will automatically input your routing and account number. For example, if I was wanting to set up direct deposit with Uber, I would click on Uber. And then I would just sign into my Uber account. If for some reason your employer isn't set up through this portal with Chime, then you can back out of that. The last option is you can input your routing and account number yourself in the back-end support of your employer portal. If you want instructions on how to do that, you would have to ask your employer. Now let's briefly go over the details of the getting paid 2 days early because a lot of y'all are curious about that. I'm gonna scroll down and just read from the horse's mouth. Early access to direct deposit funds depends on the timing of the submission of the payment file from the payer. We generally make these funds available on the day the payment file is received, which may be up to 2 days earlier than the scheduled payment date. That's Chime's way of saying that this isn't guaranteed, but it's very likely to happen. The way that payroll works in most employment situations is they actually send the payment around 2 days before you actually receive it on the payment day. What Chime is doing is basically making those funds available immediately when they get the payment, as opposed to there being a 1 to 2 day lag between when you receive the money via your employer. You now know how to set up direct deposit using your Chime bank account. That concludes this video. If you have other questions about how to do certain things on Chime Bank, you want to check out my Chime Bank playlist where I address various questions you may have about the app. And if you're looking to take control of your financial destiny and master the art of personal finance, then you want to consider getting my book, The Anatomy of Financial Success, available in paperback, ebook, and also audiobook form. You can take care of that business by clicking on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. That does it for now. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I drop another video, and give this video a like if you found value in it. Catch you in the next video. Be safe, be profitable, get out there and take control of your financial destiny.